Hello. It is long time since making a video, but I thought this would be an interesting subject for a video. This is a front exhaust pipe from an Alfa 159 2.4, and this flexible piece is broken inside, and also this flange over here, it is badly warped because somebody has tightened it with a different kind of gasket, and unfortunately these are really expensive, and I'm trying now to fix this. So I went and bought this. This is slightly bigger in diameter, but it should be okay because the length is it's really close to the same. Yeah, so let's see. And also I am trying to find a solution to fix this too. I'm thinking about two options. One is that I have to cut this pipe and put this in a lathe and straighten it that way, or I can use a sander and see how it looks. But anyway, let's get started. So here is the information about this. It is made in here, and this actually looks really nice. One interesting thing was that the manufacturer tells to install the pipe inside here for 15 millimeters. So I had to take these two, and this center section fits nicely on there, and I'm going to cut this section from here, and this is quite close to this diameter here, and it seems to get smaller just before this, so there is some work to do. Maybe on here the pipe goes inside this too, like this should be installed. So I think I will cut 22 centimeters off, so I can get rid of this smaller section of the pipe, and I will make two 25 millimeter wide rings on here, so the ends will poke out just about 10 millimeters, so the overall length should be 22. Yes, this is what I think I will do now. And let's double check this again. So this is 22 centimeters. The orientation is marked. And here you put 25mm rings, so the overall length is the same. This end I will cut. So here is where we at now. It looks like a mess, but let's begin restoring this. The most edges of the flange are warped, and I will grind this using an angle grinder at first to get the most distortion out, and then I'll see what I will do. Okay, now let's see if there's a chance to I think we can try this. This will take quite a long time, but let's begin. It's starting to look alright. I will clean these holes with a drill next. So next I will grind the edges of these to get a clean surface to weld, and then we start welding this back together. So now it is welded a little bit, so I will go and test this on the car, how it fits. And we are here under the car, and it is not bad, but it is a bit far from the DPF, and also I have to turn this flange clockwise slightly, so I will remove these welds and fix this issue. But rest of the way it looks really good. Okay, now I turn this flange clockwise and also left a bit of a gap. Let's see. The flange at the turbo fits nicely. The pipe fits this bracket over here. It avoids the engine and the transfer box. Here is good amount of room, and also at the DPF it is in the right orientation now. Here we are with the finished pipe. The welds look like this. I think these are strong enough, and yeah. So there it is. Thank you for watching.